Hi tubers, just received a main stand kit from Italy. Now, pretty good service from Italy, like just over a week for this to come all the way across the world to New Zealand. So we've got the main part of the centre stand itself there, and we've got the bits and pieces. Now what I'm looking for is instructions. Oh, we might have instructions. Yes. There's instructions. Warnings. Warning, danger, main stand. Please be instructions. Ah, yeah, look at that. I better go and put some glasses on so I can actually read them. Grab these old broken ones here. See? Look. Oh my god, they're all over the place. Get you out of the way. What does it say here?
Park the motorcycle on a flat surface and make sure it is stable. Before starting off, make sure the stand has folded completely away. Periodically lubricate the swivel points X. Lubrication points, these are all these X's. Yeah. And hook. Springs with waterproof grease and hinge of the spring plate hook. Check after first 500 miles and periodically and correct tightening of hardware used to be. I'm not going to put you through the pain of watching me do this, but I'll bring you back occasionally and we'll do a catch up.
Right, here's the parts out of the box. Go away. 2 springs, 2 covers for the springs so when they don't rub together, I assume. Spring hooks, bolts for bolting the main stand to the frame. A rubber for the stopper to hit. Boom. And this nut and bolt here, not sure what that's for, but we'll find out. So I'm just going to lubricate everything I can, and then I won't have to worry about the X's. So I'll catch you up shortly. Okay, I've got my silicone grease which I'm going to apply to the springs so that these slip on more readily. Hopefully I won't have to give them a bit of heat. If I need to give them a bit of heat, I've got my heat gun here. I've got wheel bearing grease which I'm going to use on the bolts, etc. I'm not sure if this is any good for that sort of thing. This is plastic and rubber lubricant. So after going up and down the spring about 5 times with the first cover, I decided to use a 19mm socket and just place it over there and give it a tap with a hammer. There we go. I think that silicone grease was a bit slippery. I've just put the retaining clips on this rubber stop here using a 10mm socket which fits over nicely. Give it a little tap with a hammer and Bob's your uncle. So this bumper stop here that I'm putting on is a combination of a 13 and a 10mm. So 10mm on the inside, 13 on the out. It's pretty solid. I'm sure if you tighten a few of these as a mechanic, you do it pretty easily. But my goodness, what a job getting these on. Yeah. Found it best to put the, why isn't that tight? Not going to put, what is that little line? I found it best to put the left hand side on first and then just get the nut on a few threads so it stays in place, and then come around and do the right side. Oops, that spanner might be staying there. No, that's not. So that's a 19 on the inside and a 17 on the outside. Whoa, now for the springs. Oh my god, wish me luck. Go that way, I think. So that hooks onto there, and we've got to stretch it that far. Ooh, that far. That far. That far. So you got to stretch it there. Now, other people have used ratchets, so that's what we'll try and do here. Man alive, getting these springs stretched is a bloody mission, I tell you what. I'm getting close. But, yeah. Handbrake, the front brake there clamped, and she's a mission. So it's about 10 mil to go. It's actually dragging the bike back. I might have to put it in gear. Holy moly. So close. Right, something's going to give you. Whoa, that's so close. Come on, baby. Yes. Yes. Gotcha. Woo-wee. Man, it's under pressure. Wow, that's under pressure, baby! Tell you what, you wouldn't want to be doing that every day of the week. No wonder they don't like putting them on in the factory, mind you. So I had the front brake clamped. I had it in gear, and then I had a wood chock under that rear wheel, and it was still pulling the bike back. So anyway, let's see if it works. Not a problem. Rear wheel about 40 mil off the ground. Yeah. So Yeah. I wouldn't want to do that again, actually, tell you the truth. Mind you, I'll be better prepared next time. Right, see you in the next episode.